In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause OneDrive uploads. If you've ever needed to save bandwidth for a video call, a game download, or just want to temporarily stop your files from syncing, this quick setting on Windows is exactly what you're looking for. Pausing sync won't delete anything or sign you out. It simply puts OneDrive on hold so your computer isn't busy uploading or downloading in the background. Start by going to the taskbar notification area in the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the OneDrive icon. It's the little cloud, which may be blue or white, depending on your account type. When you click that cloud icon, a small OneDrive window will open, showing your recent activity and status. In the top right corner of that OneDrive window, find the gear icon labeled Help and Settings. Go ahead and click it. This opens a menu with options for your account, preferences, and controls. From here, choose Pause Syncing. This is the command that tells OneDrive to stop transferring files for a set amount of time. You'll now see 3 duration choices: 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Pick the option that best matches your situation. For a quick meeting, 2 hours is usually perfect. If you're working all afternoon and don't want any background transfers, 8 hours keeps things quiet. And if you're on a limited connection for the day, 24 hours gives you the longest pause without turning anything off permanently. Once you select a duration, OneDrive pauses syncing immediately. Your files and folders remain available on your PC, and anything you change locally will just wait in line. When the timer runs out, OneDrive automatically resumes syncing, and all pending changes are uploaded or downloaded. You can confirm it's paused by glancing at the cloud icon, which typically shows a pause indicator, and the OneDrive window will note that syncing is paused. A few quick tips for peace of mind. Pausing syncing affects only this Windows device, not any other computer or phone connected to the same account. That means other devices keep working as usual. Also, pausing is temporary by design, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn syncing back on. It will resume when your chosen time ends. That's it. Click the OneDrive cloud, open Help and Settings, choose Pause Syncing, and select 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. With that, you have an easy way to manage your bandwidth and control when OneDrive uploads run in the background.